Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to do the payment installment in the Genius POS. So the concept is slightly different with the accounting. First, you need to top up the money into the user profile, which is as a deposit, and then the second payment, the payment, everything you top up into the account. Then on the last payment, then you directly include all the money, the account, and check out into the bill. Thank you. Okay, first, let's say for example, this customer buy a iPhone 12 from you. Then you click whole bill and send order. Then you click on the I, and then you click new customer. Okay, let's say I give it the name Bob. Make sure the phone number and the last name, these three columns must fill in. Then just click apply. So it shows customer added and this bill is attached with Bob. So for double confirm, just go to the home, go to the customer and search for Bob and make sure it has their own profile. Then let's say for example Bob pay for the deposit 1,000 ringgit. So click on the home, click on the customer, click on the Bob itself and just click on this icon. Then just click top up. Let's say it's pay by cash, then I click cash, click 1,000 and just click top up. So it shows that you got 1,000 ringgit.
1 week later.
So let's say for example, next week, the Bob come in again and pay for another 1,000. Click on the money icon again. Just click top up for another 1,000. Just click top up. So now total payment got 2,000 already. Then you click from here history, click on transaction. So it shows that this bill haven't closed and this total bill is 3,000. Or you also can click on unpaid bill, or you can click on the unpaid bill to print or email. So the Bob still have the credit, so the Bob still have 1,000 ringgit for clearance.
1 week later.
Then let's say for example, on the third week, the Bob come again and want to pay for the balance payment 1,000. So go to on cash register, click on the transaction, search for the Bob. Let's say I click on here, the Bob. Okay, so we click on pay, and then just click on customer account. So you can see that the Bob got top up for 2 times 1,000 ringgit, so total is 2,000. But the charge amount, you just put 2,000, which is what his account has, 2,000. Just click apply. So you will see that this bill, the customer already paid for the first and second payment 2,000, and there's an amount due for 1,000. So let's say this customer pay for 1,000 by the cash, so just click 1,000, just click cash in and then check out. So this bill has been cleared and there's no balance payment. As you can see that this bill is paid by cash 1,000 and the customer account for 2,000, and there's no credit balance already. If you go to the customer profile, go to the history, transaction, so there's no more unpaid bill and this bill has been paid. So in the sales report, go to the X reading daily. So as you can see that the sales is 3,000, and if your customer top up for the first and the second payment, you will include into the credit sales, which is the 2,000. And then the customer credit also will show is 2,000. Furthermore, if you go to the customer spending report, just click generate report, it shows that of the spending record for the Bob in this report. So credit top up for the 2,000 and then the total bill is 3,000 and the credit usage for the 2,000. That's all for today. Thank you. 我是阿Seng，找POS System，找阿Seng。